Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kentucky beer cheese. First, ensure your ingredients are ready. You'll need 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, finely shredded, and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper for that signature kick. A dash of garlic powder and a few ounces of your favorite lager beer will complete the list. Now let's get mixing. In a sturdy bowl, combine your finely shredded sharp cheddar with the softened cream cheese. Use a fork or a stand mixer with a paddle attachment to blend these until they are well combined and creamy. Next, add the Worcestershire sauce, dry mustard, and cayenne pepper. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring there are no lumps and the base is perfectly smooth. This is where the beer in beer cheese comes in. Slowly pour in 2 to 4 ounces of your preferred lager beer, mixing continuously. The amount of beer depends on how thick or thin you like your dip, so adjust it to your taste. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it a final good mix to ensure all the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the delicious dip. After mixing, cover your Kentucky beer cheese and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. When you're ready to serve, bring it out and let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes for optimal spreadability. It's perfect with pretzels, crackers, or fresh veggies. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.